Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I use my Jasmine Brow Fixx to finish off my brows. So what the Jasmine Brow Fixx is it's a tinted gel. It comes on this little like spoolie mascara wand brush, and what you do is you just brush it through your hairs. So what this actually does is it coats your hair instead of your skin. So it's really good for when like your eyebrow tint is wearing off, because it does coat the hair. To get the whole way around your hair, a really good tip is to run it backwards and forwards so it gets both sides of the hairs. This is in the shade Brunette that I'm using on my brows. I do have the Jasmine retractable brow pencil on as well, and I just like to finish it off with this Jasmine Brow Fixx. These retail for $39.99 and they're available in 3 colors.